Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. Ender chest is a storage block from the game Minecraft. Items placed inside an ender chest can be accessed from any other ender chest in the world, making it a secure and convenient way to store important items. Pronunciation: French. In France, the term ender chest is pronounced ender chest, with a smooth ender and a cleared chest, ender chest, giving it a steady and natural sound. American. In America, people say ender chest with emphasis on the first word, ender chest, making it sound clear and firm. British. In the UK, it's pronounced endo chest, with a softer duh sound, endo chest, giving it a smoother, more relaxed tone. Summary: French, ender chest. American, ender chest. British, endo chest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.